In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit colors in your Shopify theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your theme's color settings and how to update background, text, button, and accent colors so your store looks polished and on brand. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter your email address, then choose Continue with Email. On the next screen, type your password and click Login. This takes you into your Shopify admin where all your store settings live. From the left-hand menu in your dashboard, click Online Store. You'll see your current theme at the top of the Themes page. Click Edit Theme on your current theme to open the visual editor. This is where changes are made safely and you can see them update in real time as you work. Inside the theme editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Theme Settings, then select Colors. The Colors panel groups the main areas you'll want to adjust: background, text, buttons, and accents. Each setting has a color picker you can click to choose a new shade, or you can paste a hex code if you already have brand colors. Let's start with background colors. This controls the general canvas of your store and often covers sections like your header, footer, and content areas depending on the theme. Lighter, neutral backgrounds tend to improve readability and make product imagery pop, while darker backgrounds can create a bold editorial feel. Make a change and watch the live preview on the right update immediately. Next, update text colors. Aim for strong contrast between text and the background so your content is easy to read. If your background is light, a dark text color is usually best. Many themes let you set separate colors for headings and body text so you can give headings a slightly bolder tone while keeping paragraphs comfortable for longer reading. Move on to button colors. Buttons guide your customers toward key actions like add to cart or checkout, so choose a color that stands out clearly against the background. Make sure the button text color is also readable on top of the button fill. If your theme offers primary and secondary buttons, use your primary brand color for the main action and a subtler option for secondary actions. Finally, adjust accent colors. Accents often apply to links, badges, icons, lines, and highlights. Pick a color that complements your brand palette and is consistent across your store so customers recognize interactive elements at a glance. When you're happy with your choices, click Save in the upper right corner. That's it, your new colors are live. If you ever want to fine-tune things, return to theme settings and colors to make quick adjustments.